You are watching Planet Bollywood at 9, and here are the top trending stories. Karan Johar's kids are up to their antics again. After invading his closet and bedroom and commenting on his fashion sense, movies, and even his weight, the two are now suggesting he take a shower and using his hairbrush to look, in Yash's words, fancy.
I'm combing my hair and I'm doing fancy.
You're going You're looking fancy.
Rana Dugubatti has proposed to his girlfriend Mahika, and as his social media post says, she said yes. The couple, who is supposedly been dating for 2 years, kept a low profile and refused to confirm the rumors floating around until Rana, of course, put a ring on it and made an announcement. Amir Khan's assistant for the past 25 years, Amos, succumbed to a heart attack and has left the superstar bereaved and heartbroken. Amos G had a very endearing personality and was very respected by Amir, his family, and all his co-stars. Rest in peace, sir. Sunny Deol and Shah Rukh Khan seem to have buried the hatchet and ended their long-running Cold War that started during the filming of Dar in 1993. Shah Rukh Khan extended an olive branch by handing over the rights of the film Damini to Sunny Deol, who has been keen on remaking it. Two highly anticipated films, Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl starring Janhvi Kapoor, and Khali Pili starring Ananya Pandey and Ishan Khattar, are both rumored to be getting direct OTT releases. The lockdown has shut down movie theaters for now, and a confidential source has shared that with no timeline in place for them to reopen, an online release seems to be the best option. Navya Nanda, Amitabh Bachchan's granddaughter, who just completed her graduation from a university in New York, has taken baby steps into the corporate world by launching her very own platform, Ara, that aims to educate women and offer them well-researched options for their healthcare. Congrats, Navya, and lots of success to you. It's been 2 weeks since Rishi Kapoor passed away, and his family held a small prayer meeting on the 13th day post his death, with close family and friends alone in attendance. Rishi Ji's daughter Ridhima shared an emotional post remembering her father and promising to carry on his legacy forever. Priyanka Chopra Jonas stepped out of her home for the first time in 2 months and shared a selfie of herself behind her protective mask. Priyanka captioned the picture, "Eyes are never quiet." Hashtag first day out in 2 months. Ajay Devgan has shared a video of Amitabh Bachchan on his social media page, where the veteran actor speaks about breaking the social stigma against COVID-19 survivors, applauding them for their courage and not letting this pandemic affect our mind with fear and doubts.
कि अस्पताल से ठीक होकर वापस आने पर घर और समाज के लोग उन पर फूलों की वर्षा करते हैं। शारीरिक लड़ाई के लिए तो दुनिया भर के जानकार कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और मानसिक लड़ाई हमें ही जीतनी पड़ेगी। यदि हम हार गए तो कोरोना जीत जाएगा, और ये हम कभी होने नहीं देंगे। अपनों को अपनाएंगे, सही सलामत कर लाएंगे।
Project 50, which was to celebrate 50 years since Yash Raj Films was launched, has also now been postponed because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Grapevine had it that the production house had plans of launching a number of big-budget films with A-list stars and also conduct a grand event, but now things stand postponed till it is safe to resume shoot. To know all the details and stay updated, watch Planet Bollywood at 9 p.m. tonight.